What's up, guys? This is Xpotix. I'm just showing you my gaming room tour a little bit. I still have to clean up a little bit behind the computer setup. I have it pulled out so I can get back there and do some cable management. There's a lot of cables, so I still have to do that, but maybe touch up this and that here and there. But it's mostly good. This is the backdrop for like when I do YouTube videos and stuff. When I'm doing like gameplay and showing you my cam and stuff, just so something more interesting to look at in the background. Yeah, so I cleaned up the cables and consoles and stuff. I had them hooked up, or at least a lot of them at one time, and I did some rearranging and stuff like that. I have it hooked up to this little this switch, so you can have them all hooked up, and you just have to press one button and just turn on the console, of course, too. So I got Wii U, Nintendo 64, PS2, Super NES, and then original Xbox. And then I have a PS4 up there, Xbox 360. I think that's it. And laptop up there hooked up to that TV. And then i7 7700K and a 1080 hooked up to the 6 monitors. These two are USB to VGA, and then one of them's DVI, I think, and then other ones are VGA to DisplayPort or HDMI. These ones are super rough, like 15 frames a second. I slowed the, this is a live wallpaper. I slowed down this planet spinning. Smoother here, and it's a little jaggedy here. It's kind of hard to tell when I slowed it down so much, because this is kind of like how it would look probably, because you can make it spin way faster, and it's like, it's really hitchy on this one. Oh, I don't know why my plasma ball is not lighting up. Or maybe I unplugged it to hook up to the salt lamp. Yep, I got Miku Hatsune right there. Dead 90 Ti and a dead, or kind of halfway dead, what is that? It's a R7 260, what is this? R9 270. Haha. So I was kind of close. Not really. Yeah. So yeah, my main rig, currently I upgraded my GPU. It's coming in the mail pretty soon. 4090, let's go. But yeah, i9 9900K, and my lights are going crazy because I got a bunch of like LED strips and stuff. So when you turn on one, and if it like maybe was, actually, when I probably changed that lighting, it messed up that lighting, because on the same signal. i9 9900K, a 3090, and I ordered the 4090, so I'm getting that. And then, of course, a bunch of ARGB custom covers, and for the power delivery right there, 64 gigs of RAM. Ordered another 8 terabyte drive as well, so I'll be getting close to 20 terabytes. So I have more games installed on it, and 4K 144, 1080p 60, 5K 60, and then at 720p 32-inch just by itself, because that takes 2, that takes 1, and that takes 1, and I only have 4 hooked up to like outputs, and I think the 4090 only has 4 as well, which it's crazy because this 1080 has 5. That's crazy, but for some reason, I tried hooking up the DVI, and it wasn't showing this monitor right here for some reason. So I unplugged it, and I just hooked it up to VGA to USB, and then it worked. Without any drivers, it just worked. After, I mean, it did take like a little bit of time. I think there was like, I don't know, when I was rearranging things weren't working, then I plugged it in and plugged it in, did this and swapped it and stuff, and then it started working. So not too much struggle there. This desk is not very strong. Like if I like kind of push back and forth on that stand right there, the 6 monitor stand, it wants to kind of move a little bit. It's not thick. It's like, what particle board? It's like not real wood. It's like compressed with glue and stuff, you know? It's rough. So yeah, kind of a quick video showing you guys my setup. Tell me what you guys think. I got an LED strip around here, LED strip around there. I did not fix. I'm gonna have to tape. It's gonna go like that. So it's gonna be backdrop, not just LED sticking like that. So it'll look a lot better. I just kind of forgot about that. So yeah. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Subscribe, and I'm gonna have a lot of videos coming up with a 4090 testing. And yeah, hope you guys are doing well. Peace out.